Hi, parents. I'm Miss McCula. I'm sorry we won't be able to meet each other in person this year at the open house, but I wanted to go ahead and make a video for you so you could navigate my CTLS site and just kind of see my face while we're here. So for physical science, this is the student view. So this is everything that your child should be able to see when they're in the CTLS classroom. So there's my picture. If you click on that, you can see my email address is right below there. If you go into digital sessions, you can see that what we did the first 2 days, and then right now we're doing molecular motion. We actually just ended that unit, and we're going to start thermal energy pretty soon. So you can see here that we just had, this is basically where I'll put what we're doing each day under the digital session, and you can see that we just had a quiz, and all of that should be in the grades and everything in Synergy now. If you click under the lesson resources tab, that's where you'll see the syllabus that I have pulled up, and if you double click on that, it'll open it up for you there, so you can look through that if you didn't know where it was. Let me move this so I can close. And then under Unit 1, you'll see where I post all of the notes and assignments that we do. And then anything, if I do a study guide and everything's completed on here. So and typically I'll put the blank version and the completed version so that the students can access all of the notes as well. I won't really do any lesson assignments in CTLS unless we were all virtual. So for right now, everybody's turning in everything to me in person. However, if you have to be at home, you're welcome to email me an assignment if you are out. But I won't be putting any lesson assignments up here just yet. And let's see, and if you click on my class resources down here, it'll just pull up everything that is listed. So under digital sessions, you can see each unit, and under class resources, you can see all the units and everything I've put up on there. And so that's kind of the only thing we'll be using for this. So if you go back to the class, let's see, the calendar. My calendar, I guess, shows you all of your classes, but I do try to put as much up there as I can as well. So as always, if you have any questions about anything, email is going to be the easiest way to get a hold of me throughout the day, and I check that periodically throughout the day. So if you have any other questions, please just let me know, and I'm happy to help any way I can. So nice to meet you, and I look forward to getting to know your children throughout the year. Thanks.